guys. So I'm here just trying to figure out Vlogmas day 2. Also thinking about some content, like, you know, just ways that I can show the place different than other people that have been here. We do check out at 11 a.m. and it's 6:37 a.m. So Sasha and I want to create some more pictures for Turtlenet's website and for their Instagram page. So that's what we're going to do. I would have loved to catch the sunrise, but I checked the direction on my compass, and what is it? Sunrise is in the east, sets in the west. That was southwest, so like I wouldn't have really caught the sunrise that well. I did catch some sunset, so that's what you saw from Vlogmas day, like from December 1st. So yeah, and I'm really glad that you guys liked the first day of Vlogmas. I'm super excited, so excited. So make sure you go check out Vlogmas day 1 if you haven't already. I'm really glad this is actually Vlogmas day 3. So, well, it might not be day 3, but today is the 2nd of December. And I really want to get the house tour up, villa tour, so that might be day 3, and then this might go into day 4. But either way, we're still just going on. We're vlogging every single day. We're getting extra content, and yeah, I'm gonna get onto this and then get ready. Currently, I'm trying to figure out where the lights are for right here, the light switch, because all those lights are off. All of these lights are off. Yeah, they all are. All of these lights are off. All of them. That's not the switch. I just flipped a switch. I need Drake to go flip a switch because I want to turn the light off. And I'm gonna go check if Sasha's is awake. Yeah, just right turn. If she's awake, because we gotta get to it. We gotta get to it. So let's go see. You awake? Because we wore our outfits yesterday, but nobody saw them, okay? And we didn't get to take pictures because our uploads were so messed up. We have to fix those. So this is one outfit. Another. I have a lot of yellow going on. I think I want to throw this over something, over my black swimsuit, and go by the beach. And take pictures by the beach. And this wooden vibes is giving me a lot of this. I don't think that's a lot of fire. So I have everything laid out. Even for lashings, I have things laid out. But these are some things that I'm thinking of for Turtle's Nest. And while I'm over here, let's just give you guys a good wind up. Gonna go film. Just open the window so you can hear some waves and so some fresh air can come in. Alright, we're gonna head downstairs, but look at this beautiful view. We're gonna take our content pictures ASAP. It's still pretty early. Sasha! Sasha, Sasha, Sasha! Sasha? Hey. Hey. You doing a full beat?
Not really. I usually just put on some concealer.
Alright, I'm just going to put one piece here. Let me prop you guys up. So all in all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the color scheme is yellow, gold. It's in the head, so hopefully you guys go to my Instagram, go over to St.Elizabeth, Jamaica Instagram, and follow if you want to see updated pictures and videos. Yeah, and also just go down into the description box so you can have all the information that you'll possibly need, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, look, I'm filming my video. And look who just comes to sit over to watch me. Hi. Hi. So I'm filming and taking some pictures with the mug. Oh, she loves the camera. Or is it a heat? I have no idea. Christmas was like the ones I used to know. Round 1. Sasha's afraid.
I'm so petrified of wasps.
I'm dead. I caught a little bit of it. You guys are back? Listen. Huh? Yeah. They like, but I think they just like people company.
Yeah.
But that's good.
Maybe they don't get a lot of human.
They don't. Remind me of my cousin's dog, Buttercup. She will run to you if they're on vacation and you go over.
Yeah.
Guys, I hope y'all enjoying this vlog. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Today is December 2nd. Yeah, so we're about to just go take some pictures down by the beach and some videos. So cue the B-roll.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuck. I'm so faded up. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I'll give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fucking white horse in a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Oh, you needed me. Oh, you needed me.
Alright guys, so make sure you go and watch the villa tour. Whew. I'm actually tired. The waves were really rough. Well, not really rough as you can see, but it was rough. I wonder when I'm finna wash off. I'm gonna get ready for all the comments. They're gonna be like, oh, show me the another show of the video. Alright guys, so we just took some pictures outside. I'm showing you how beautiful. You can go straight outside from the living room to the pool. Or you can have a little picnic with your girlfriends or with your kids right here. Yeah. So I got all this stuff. We're actually gonna head out soon. We got like probably an hour and some change. And then we're gonna head on over to Lashings. So, yeah. All right, guys, so we are heading out now. Just gonna walk you guys upstairs. Remember to watch the house/villa tour. The link will be somewhere. But also make sure you always check the description box. So, yeah. About to leave the iron. So I should just finish with the iron. I'm gonna wrap it up. Let me wrap this up and I'll be right back. So this is what I'm wearing over. It's just a beach cover up. It's actually a dress and I thrifted it. I have a little swimsuit underneath. And my hair is up. Little back dress, Audrey vibes. So, about to close this up because I came with it closed. Can hear the little waves. Yeah, let me make sure it's properly closed. And perfect. Oh, okay, I get it now. It locks individually in the middle, like this and then this. All right, so yeah, this was perfect. The AC here is out of this world. It's nice, and it has this very nice smell. Just gonna pull up. We didn't use that room at all, but yeah. Guys, Sasha and I are about to leave. This is our leaving outfit. We're on our way over to Lashings. And we're gonna turn the camera around and then do another little leaving shot so y'all can see how beautiful we actually are. Yeah. Come on in the shot. Yeah.
I got my back.
We leaving.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So
We going. We had fun.
so much fun. The place is beautiful.
Beautiful.
Zeb was amazing.
Amazing.
Like, I even video called my friends and showed them how amazing it looked, and they were astounded. It's actually really beautiful. I was watching a video on Architectural Digest, and I asked Sasha, but this house looked like their house, and it was considered a modern farmhouse. And I think this gives me modern farmhouse vibes with the wood and everything. It's just so beautiful. Anyways, we're gonna leave because it's past our checkout time, but thank you guys so much for watching. I mean, it's gonna continue, but thank you so much, Lucy. Your home, your villa, your paradise, your turtle nest is very beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you so much for having us. Bye.
Oh yeah. Suitcase versus stairs.